Alright, I just got my Dreame. Is it Dreame or Dreamy? I don't know what it's supposed to be. Anyways, I just got my Dreamy L30 here in the mail. Let's see what's inside. I don't. I've seen a bunch of stuff for the L20. I haven't seen nothing for the L30. Not that it's really that much different. And for those wondering, because it took me a little bit to figure it out, it is basically the difference is there's two main differences that I know of, and maybe if I do a review on this, maybe there's more that I don't know about, but the two main differences are you get 7,300 pascals of suction compared to the 7,000 pascals of suction on the L20. So that's really not a big difference. 300 more pascals, to be honest. I doubt you would feel a difference. And then I believe the other main difference is that when it washes the mop pads on this one, it can actually heat the water up. Like when it does the mop pad clean cycle, there's actually like I guess a water heater or something in there that actually heats the water. So anyways, I guess let's do unboxing. And there's the top of that bad girl. Alright, let's get her out. Alright. So this is what it looks like out of the box, or out of that box. And let me tell you, this thing got a little bit of weight to it. It's probably like 20, 30 pounds. I tried using the handle built into the box and it broke right off. So anyway, so yeah, there's the mop self-cleaning with hot water. The mop extend L20's got that. There's the suction C 7,300. I'd imagine that's the same battery. I don't know if that's the same battery on the other one. Don't ask me. I don't know. Kind of nice looking box, although it would have been a little bit nicer if they had actually make it strong enough so you could pick it up by the box that it comes in. I don't know how the hell they got it into this box if you can't pick it up. So, alright, let's keep tearing in. Alright, so what's the first thing we got here? I'm guessing that's the freaking base station. Hold on, I think there's cords in here. I bet there's cords or something wrapping in here. I think there's cords in this. I'll get to that later. Alright, you got your quick start guide. Looks like a full user manual. That's nice. I hope it actually is a full user manual. I actually like getting paper ones. Maybe that's old stock because of old or unpopular opinion. I'm guessing this is probably like the mop clean tray or whatever. That's what it looks like. Oh no, this is like the ramp probably that it goes up to get on the base station. Holy crap, this freaking cardboard. Looks like you got your cleaner. I guess that's kind of cool that it puts the cleaner in there automatically for you. I mean, I guess if you didn't want to use it, I'm assuming you could just put your own cleaner in the clean water tank and do that. Now, these are way bigger than it looked like in the photos. I thought this thing was going to be way smaller, but I realized because I got some extra pads for it already. I did not realize how big these were. I don't know. To me, it just looks like in the pictures these are like way smaller, like maybe the size of the inner diameter ring there of this one right here. But here's your mop pads, the ones that come with it. You can see they're magnetic. Then you got your power cable. Oh, what the hell? Oh, this came off. This is one of those sweeper thingies that some of these mops have. Or, not mops, robots, whatever. So next, I got it. It was in this cardboard case here. Is the robot vac itself. It's definitely bigger and heavier than I thought it was going to be. This is actually my first robot vac. It's got this cool like little suspension system here. You probably won't be able to tell from the camera, but like you put it down. See, like I'm kind of supporting its weight. So right now the wheels are touching. Let's see if I let it go. There's like a little suspension system on it. That's kind of cool. You can see the little spinning LiDAR there up at the top. Then you got your camera and lights and all that stuff. I think the things on the side are LED lights, and then I think on the camera it uses also structured light sensors to do like obstacle avoidance and stuff. And there's a few tags and stuff on here. I'm not going to rip all these off right now. But the other thing you see on here is there's some buttons on here. It looks like a power button. That's probably return to home, and then I don't know what the heck that's for. So, but yeah, it's pretty sweet looking too. I kind of like the black with I can't really say that's gold trim. I've seen some people call that gold. I don't know. I'm not the greatest at seeing colors, but it's not gold. It's not quite bronze either. I don't know what that is. I don't know, maybe like a tannish color, but like polished. I don't know. Here's the underside. You can see here's the mop with the swing arm here. There's the other socket for the other mop. Here's the wheels. Here's what I was talking about, the suspension system. That's kind of cool. They're independent too. And then you kind of see you've got your actual vacuum port here. It kind of moves a little bit. I don't know if you can hear that. So I'm guessing it can, it's somewhat self-leveling, I guess. Be interesting to see how good it actually is. To me, this looks like it would. To me, this looks like it would be really good at doing hard floors. And then I don't know what this is for. Probably some kind of stabilizer or wheel for the robot. So yeah, and I'm pretty sure there's some other sensors here. This is probably where that sweeper thing goes. Yeah. Now, thank God this part wasn't as heavy as I thought it would be, because it is certainly bigger than I thought it was going to be. Holy smokes. Jeez, man. I guess it's hard to get scale, you know, looking online. Like, well, you don't know how big my hand is, but it's not small. Jeez. So up here, yeah, it looks like you got your cleaning and home button, all that stuff. Go up top here. You got some instructions and stuff. I'm assuming this is the dirty water tank here. It's a pretty good sized water tank too. Check that out. Clean water tank. And then I think this is where the cleaner goes, and then you got like a little brushy thing in there. Yeah, there's actually a detangling tool on that brush too, which is nice. Now I think, how do we get it in here? Okay, to get the front cover off for the vacuum part, it actually shows you there's like a latch. It's not here, it's actually, I don't know, my camera's not focusing. It's like right here. There's a little latch, you gotta press that, and then you can pull on this, and this will come out. And you got yourself your vacuum area. Bag looks like is pre-installed in there. I'm gonna inflate that. It's a little bigger than I thought. I wish they put the nice plastic ends instead of cheap cardboard on there. And then it looks like you got an extra one in here. Be nice if it came with 3 or more. But that's the one thing I liked about the Shark vacuums is they're like, for whatever reason, they are the only ones that don't require a freaking bag. I don't know. I don't know why. Anyways, so here's your docking station, and this is where it cleans the mop pads. This is removable because I'm sure even with the hot water and stuff, this is going to get gross. It's probably going to be a pain in the ass to clean out, I'm not going to lie. And that's where maybe the iRobot system might actually be better. Hold up. There's like someone who uses this. What the hell? I mean, I guess they probably tested it out. I missed a spot there. Maybe some water came out. I don't know. Maybe it's something for manufacturing. Yeah, interesting little system there. There's like little rollers on the side, I'm sure, to help guide the vacuum in. Let's see if I can get this on. So, do you just press it? Okay, so you just press it on there, and then I guess you lock it. Yeah, there you go. That's actually easier than I thought it was going to be. And luckily, that was not as heavy as I thought it was going to be. Jeez. Because this thing was huge. Dude, look at this thing, man. Like, bro. From all the videos I've seen, you just don't get a size, or maybe the L30s is bigger than the L20s. I doubt it is, but if it is, then I guess that's why it looks so much bigger. And I think that was pretty much it. So, I thought this one had a cord in it, but what I noticed the whole time I was opening this is the cardboard is like heavy. They use like heavy cardboard, but alright, anyways, let me get this together and maybe one day I'll do a review on it. Thanks for tuning in. Look what I just found on here. So that water stain that I found, they actually have a sticker, although I don't understand this. Please rest assured to use. That's some more of that English. But actually a little note. Look at that.